Hi guys, so you might be wondering where I am right today. So you can guess it's a lounge and it's a Mercedes lounge, and where is it? It's a question, and I'm going to unveil that it can be anywhere, but right now where I am, I'll let you know. So now I'm going to give the answer for my question, where are we now? So we are in Chikmagalur, in between Mangalore and Bangalore. It's a hill station, very known for the coffee plantations here, and it falls in one of the tier 3 or tier 2 cities in India. Why I'm here is the next question. Why I'm here is to show you something very unique and first of its kind in India, which is the service on wheels by Mercedes-Benz India to cater the needs of their customers in these kind of cities. It's the first initiative by any manufacturer in India to move on to their places where their customers want their service, and bringing this truck, which is based on this Benz 4023 tractor trailer, and they built a unique kind of a workshop on wheels, and it's an amazing facility. What you have seen was the launch, but I'll be showing off what else there in this truck, and it's going to be a very unique experience for you as well as for me. So stay tuned for the service on wheels by Mercedes-Benz India. So this service on wheels is actually based on a truck which is based on Benz. As I said, 4023 is a prime mover. 40 means 40 ton, 23 means 230 HP. It's a Euro 5 model variant. Euro 6 is just launched, so this has been launched last year, so this is a Euro 5 version. And you know, it's a tractor unit where there's a fifth wheel coupling over here, which is attaching this trailer, which is built by, as I know, it's a JCBL, which is from Chandigarh based bodybuilder, and it's a 50 feet trailer rather than going for a 40 feet. They've made it 50 feet because it's not very heavy in that sense. You don't have to carry so much load, but you can have more facility, having a lot more space. So first portion around 15 feet is the lounge area, which we have seen earlier, and the second portion is where they procure all the spares and other equipment. They have incorporated compressor unit, generator unit and AC unit under the this area, floor area, so they were able to manage the space well. And coming on to the service part, what we're doing here is a W203 C-Class being serviced over here. This is the oil changing unit. Other units are the compressors been helping out, and how they work, the combination is like the technician and the spares are provided by the local dealer. Facilities provided by the Mercedes-Benz India. So here they're using the genuine oil from Mercedes-Benz, which is used in the synthetic oil which is used in the cars. So these are the facilities which are provided by the dealer here. And talking about the dealers, Sundara Motors are the dealer for the Karnataka region and Tamil Nadu. And now we are in Chikmagalur, and they will be taking this facility to all the tier 2 trade cities, where like the Tumkur, Hassan, Davangere, many other parts, like in Tamil Nadu will be coming to Coimbatore, Salem, all the other parts, and it will be coming to Kerala as well. So now Sundaram will be doing the support for Tamil Nadu and Karnataka region. And when it comes to Kerala, both the Rajashri and Bridgeway Motors will be doing the support. So it's an amazing facility, it's a unique thing, and it's one of its kind and first of its kind initiative. There may be service available for the customers as just a service, but this is service experience being carried on to you, very close to you, because when you come visit the present Mercedes showrooms, basically the service centers, you can experience it's a different experience. Like it's a showroom kind of facility where you have the customer lounge and other features. You can see your car service being done. So that experience has been carried on to you to the tier 2, tier 3 cities where you have to travel a lot to meet your real service center. So So this experience has brought in a very unique kind of feel and after sale experience, and actually building a good relation with the customer by the brand. So it's a great initiative by Mercedes-Benz India. Now, as an enthusiast, I always want to try out the big wheels. So here we'll be trying out to get a spin of this huge amazing machine. If not, we'll wind up here. If then, I'll bring that review as well.